Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw marketplace data licensing payments with AWS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing marketplace data licensing payments with AWS, first, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Marketplace dashboard. Once there, locate the Payments section in the left-hand menu. Click on Payments to access your payment details. Here, you will see a summary of your earnings, including data licensing payments. Next, review your available balance to ensure you have funds to withdraw. To initiate a withdrawal, click on the Withdraw button, usually found near your balance summary. Select your preferred payment method from the available options. Common methods include bank transfer or wire transfer. Enter the required details for your payment method, ensuring accuracy. Double-check your information for any errors to avoid withdrawal issues. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw. After entering the amount, click Submit to proceed. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your withdrawal request has been processed. Note that it may take several business days for the funds to appear in your account. Periodically check back on the Payments section for updates on your withdrawal status. If you encounter any issues, refer to the AWS support resources for assistance. Following these steps will help you successfully withdraw your marketplace data licensing payments with AWS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.